Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are a massage therapist or even just someone looking for a tool to help you relax at home, you should check out this portable plug-in hot stone from WeiiTech. Now, hot stones can really be cumbersome to make portable, so I was so excited to use this hot stone because it doesn't need a heater to place the stones in. It simply plugs into the wall. And because of this, the temperature never cools off until you turn it off. And I love that there are 5 temperatures you can choose from. The temperatures it heats to are 68, 104, 140, 176, and 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can customize it to the client's needs and sensitivities. The high temperature it gets to means that you can use it through clothes, which is really useful to use during modalities like chair massage. And I also like to use this on myself at home or after the gym to help me relax my back after a long day. It's just so soothing. I really recommend adding it to your massage supplies or even just getting it for yourself to help you relax at home. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.